Yeah.
So yeah, I have that rack, and then back here I have this rack too.
Ooh.
It's like one plant.
A double header.
Yeah.
Yes, this is awesome. So pretty.
And so when I do my oh snap! What?
Wow!
3? Is that even possible?
Holy sh!
Oh,
wow.
That's abundance right there. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Holy crap! And you're not even thinning them, are you?
Well, I tried to. I had my neighbor. I was like, if you can dig. The thing with this variety is that the roots are so.
Got you.
They like I have this special shovel. It looks like an alligator thing, and it's got teeth on it.
Wow.
And we were just trying so hard to dig some of them up, and she did eventually get some. So I'm trying to give them away to the neighborhood, but holy cow.
Damn, you got you probably gonna get another one from that other thick mama.
Oh,
because it's like these are some thick ones.
I know.
Like yo,
yeah.
This is a sturdy. You probably climb it. Oh, it's like no, not climbing.
No, yeah.
But wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work to have to take 3 of them down at the same time.
Do you keep the corms?
I have not been able to successfully dig. That's what I'm saying. Like as tall as this thing is, the root system is that far deep, and so I have not been able to really successfully do that.
Got you.
Hit me up on Facebook if you have any tips or tricks.
Yeah, right? Because that is massive. Like the diameter of that chunk is at least a foot.
Yeah.
And that's just one corm.
That's just one, yeah.
That's crazy. Look at this. Is this holy basil?
This is Egyptian basil. It's basil that has a little bit of like an anise flavor or licorice. Please try some. And I can give you clippings if you don't have it. It's a perennial. It's so delicious. It's great for teas. I actually don't make this into tea. I infuse this in water overnight. So I'll take it with regular temperature water, and then
I see the licorice.
Yeah.
I feel like it's probably really medicinal because of that.
It probably, yeah. Like, whatever that chemical compound is that has that flavor. So licorice is like good for like lowering blood pressure, I think.
Got you.
And so this is the ugly side of my chop and drop. So so when I take you around to the front, you'll see what I mean. When I chop and drop in the back. You know what I mean? And then so that way in the front, when we go back around, you'll see it's like a little bit, there's like some mulch in there, you know? Yeah. So this is my proof that I chop and drop all summer long, as much as I can. And it covers my soil and, you know, kind of like protects the organisms that are working underneath, and everything seems really happy. If you can like look inside there, this is my star fruit, and it's about to go off.
Oh my God. I was wondering.